Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make sure that you fix the applications menu that gets disappeared when you just upgraded your Kali Linux machine. After doing some upgrades from Kali Linux 2020.1, I saw that my applications menu has disappeared and the favorite menu gets disappeared too, but when you press the Windows button, then I was able to see that it is still actually available, but when you try to view the whole desktop here, it tried to disappear. It is because I am now using the Kali Linux the OS version that I'm using now is 2020.2, like you can see here. So because of that, I decided to make this tutorial so that you can be able to see how to come back with the applications menu as well as the favorite menu, so that you can be able to see. Now that you can see that it has to be right here, you can no longer see the applications, you can no longer see the places. So what I did was I came up with the tweak so that I can be able to see which settings I have to apply right here. So what happens is that you can come to the general settings and then see how you can be able to do some settings that will fit your desktop, and then I have to come to the extensions, and then you can see that now applications menu is off, auto move windows and so on. So what happens is that, if you can see, even the desktop applications are no longer available. Things that I've put on my desktop, they can no longer be seen. So what happens is that because you cannot be able to click these ones, you need to make sure that the extensions are on, and then from here make sure that the applications menu is on. Maybe even the desktop applications are on, but because I don't like that, I will just disable that, and then you can now see that the applications are available. Everything is actually like normal. So because of this, I have seen that it is harder for people to be able to see how they can do some settings on this Kali Linux system. So now I would like to thank you guys for watching, because this is sometimes a harder thing for some folks, and then thank you guys very much.